da bawb, a chroeso cynnes iawn I chi unwaith eto. Diolch am wrando ar sioe. Good evening everyone, and a very warm welcome to you once again. Thanks for listening to the show. Cyfres pedwar, pennod pedwar deg tri, Series 4, Episode 43. Teulu, family. Hello everyone, good evening. Hope you've had a good day. What have we got here? We got some mutations, of course. We have da to tha. The word good is an adjective. It goes from D to double D. A D to an eth. Da to tha. After the singular feminine noun Noswaith. If it was borada, it wouldn't mutate. If it was pronoun da, it wouldn't mutate. Because if it's nos da, you'd think it'd mutate, because nos is feminine, but nos is a rule breaker. So you don't mutate for that one, even though you should. And Noswaith is feminine and doesn't break the rules, so it does mutate. Noswaith dda. Pawb, Noswaith dda bawb has become bawb. It's vocative, noun or pronoun used to address people. P to a B, soft mutation. A chroeso, and welcome. Chroeso has become chroeso because the word a triggers aspirate mutation. And that means P words and T words and C words all mutate to PH and TH and CH accordingly. And we have Diolch am wrando. Wrando, the verb noun to listen, has become wrando. The G has dropped, soft mutation, after the preposition am, which means for or about. And it's one of the 12 key prepositions. It's actually 15 anyway. So, am or at dan dros drwy, ten tan tros drwy gan heb hyd I o wrth. Okay, there you go. And then, any other mutations? No. So today's episode is Teulu. Teule. That's the name of family. That's the word for family. Yeah, and we have other words for today that we're going to learn are all family related. So let me just scroll to the top. We have mam. 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 That's your mum, your mother, ancestress. Or it can be a dam as well, or a queen bee, apparently. And we have tad, long A in that one. Father. That's masculine. So what happens with these is the ones who would be feminine, your mother and your auntie, they're feminine as words, and the ones that are masculine are masculine. So your son and your dad, they're masculine words in Welsh. So that makes it easier. The other words that we've done, that we know the gender of so far, is all country names and place names are feminine. And the days of the week and the months are all masculine. Okay, so jumping back onto these words. So, mam for mum, tad for father, teulu for the word family, rhiant is parents, and rhieni is parents. Mab is son, merch can mean girl, we've seen it before, and it can mean woman as well, but it's the word used to mean daughter as well. So, merch. Brawd is brother. Chwaer, we've seen that, haven't we, is sister. And gŵr is husband or man. Husband in this case, because we're doing family members. Graig is woman. Nine is your grandmother in the north, and mamgi is grandmother in the south. Trying to not do the north you on the gi there, because that's how they wouldn't pronounce it like that in the south. It would just be mamgi. Yeah, long I sound in the south, but it's different in the north because it's not that sound. You's got its own sound, we know. So tide, grandfather in the north, and tadki is grandfather. Again, I'm doing a north you there, we shouldn't be. So That's grandfather in the south. Modrib, aunt, that's your auntie. Ewythyr, uncle. We had that one in the story yesterday. Cefndir, that's your first cousin who's male. And Cyfnithyr is your first cousin that's female. And we have Nai, nephew, and Neith is niece. So they're not too bad, are they? Because they're both N words. If you can remember them. Wyr, grandson, and Wyres, granddaughter. Wyr, grandson. Wyres, granddaughter. Plentyn is child, and plant is children. So they're the words for today, all in a quiz, all got the flashcards, all the good usual stuff, as you can hear in the background, as I've just hovered over something. Chwaer, Graig, Tadki. And then sentences for them, and then sentence builders, listening to writing exercises. We've got another episode of the comedy and vocab for it, and quizzes and the like for that as well. And there's another song that's got lyrics for by Kerf, the Bodies. They're good, or were good when they were around until 1991. And what else? Listening exercise, which is this, the story for today. My mum a dad yn mynd i'r park efo'u plant. Mum and dad are going to the park with their children. Mae'r teulu yn cwrdd a fodryb ewythyr a'i fab a merch. The family meets aunt, uncle, and their son and daughter. Mae nain a thaid yn eistedd ar y fainc gyda'r wyr a'r wyres. Gran and grandad are sitting on the bench with the grandson and granddaughter. Mae'r brawd a'r chwaer yn chwarae gyda'i cefndir a chyfnithyr. The brother and sister are playing with their male cousin and female cousin. Okay, there you go. Using a lot of them words from today. And I've been fixing a few things. I broke the website again today for a couple of times. Hope that didn't affect you. Just refresh if it does. I've usually fixed it within a few minutes. I get a warning on my phone and I have to fix it. Just noticed a mistake I need to tidy up here as I'm scrolling before I publish it. Publish it, I said. Not sounded like something else, that, didn't it? Right, yeah, so lots of new words there for you. What can we think of there? Yeah, just make sure you do the plurals and stuff as well. They're there on the tables with me now as well, so make sure you're aware of all the different types of plurals that are happening. You don't have to memorise every single plural at this stage, but just get an idea of how they happen. If you can memorise them, that's probably the best way. But make sure you practice as well. Maybe go back over some of the previous lessons and stuff like that. I don't know, up to you. Anyway, I'm just filling here. I haven't really got a lot of time, so about 5 seconds. 4, 3. Thanks for listening. 1, ta-ra.